Do I need to remove dust myself before booking a post-construction clean?
Absolutely not. That's exactly what we're here for. Our professional after renovation cleaners are trained to safely remove fine dust and debris without causing damage to your newly renovated surfaces. In fact, trying to clean builders' dust yourself can scratch brand new floors or benchtops, leave behind residue or streaks, stir up allergens and irritants, waste hours of your valuable time. We use HEPA-filtered vacuums, microfiber cloths, and gentle, non-abrasive products that leave dust and clean without harming delicate surfaces. From cornices to skirting boards, we get into every corner, so you don't have to. Hiring experts also ensures the clean is done right the first time, especially before move-in or inspections.